Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia Music, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, hold your power button, and when you have the boot options visible, ignore this. You want to select power off from here, and when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now, the turning of the device is signified by the phone vibrating. So start holding power button, volume up. And once you see the Nubia logo on the screen, let go of the power button. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use both volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected with this blue line. So, going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot mode, which I believe both of those takes you to fastboot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So in any case, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.